Hi, I'm Kevin Jacob, principal of Brecksville Broadview Heights High School. And our staff is excited about welcoming you to the 2023-2024 Open House taking place on Thursday, August 31st at 7 p.m. We are excited to welcome you to the Hive so that you can learn who your child's teachers are this school year and learn about what type of courses that they will be taking and the tips and the tricks that will help make them successful students this school year. We will also be hosting our student activity fair in our gymnasium all evening long, so you have an opportunity to learn about the many clubs and activities that your child has a chance to get involved with here at Brecksville Broadview Heights High School. At the conclusion of my welcome message, we will also have some messages from our students talking about what makes Brecksville Broadview Heights High School a great place to come to school every single day. Take a few moments to hear what they have to say about what they experience each and every day here at BBHHS. Go Bees!
Hi, I'm Mallory Kepke. I'm a freshman here at Brecksville Broadview Heights High School. From this past first week of high school, I've enjoyed my classes, my teachers, and all of my electives. I'm excited to continue the rest of my year here.
Hi parents, welcome to the high school. My name's Lou Rundo. I teach biology classes here, and I love having your students in class, and probably my favorite thing is just their curiosity when it comes to the topics we're covering, and especially their scientific intrigue. Have a good night.
My name's Amanda, and what I love about Brecksville Broadview Heights High School is the opportunities given to us through our education system. The teachers, the staff, they're all so kind, and they would love to help with any questions that you have or any tasks, anything.